Hey guys, I'm Chris.
And I'm Chris.
And welcome back to Aspiring Millionaires channel.
And today's video is going to be about the Backdoor Roth IRA.
Let's get into it. So what is a Backdoor Roth IRA? Well, a Backdoor Roth IRA is for way to you get your money into a Roth IRA if you're over the income limits for 2019.
So the income limits for filing single are $137,000. If you're married and filing jointly, then it's going to be $203,000.
Those are pretty low limits, and we want you to get your money inside the Roth IRA. So basically, how you open up a Backdoor Roth IRA is the first thing you have to do is open up a traditional IRA and then contribute to it. There are no income limits for contributing to a traditional IRA.
So the next step you're going to do is you're going to roll over your traditional IRA to the Roth IRA.
That's the first thing you could do. The next thing you could do is either a trustee to a trustee transfer. There's two different ways to contribute or to roll over your money inside of a Roth IRA from the traditional IRA.
So when you're investing in a traditional IRA, you don't have to pay taxes on the money that you put into the traditional IRA. But when you roll it over, you will have to pay taxes on that money.
Because any money going into a Roth IRA, whether it's rolled over or through the Backdoor Roth IRA we're talking about, you have to pay taxes on it up front because no money in the Roth IRA can be tax-free until you take it out.
But when you transfer it over to the Roth IRA, you won't have to pay taxes on the money when you take it out. That's the main tax benefit of this account.
So the benefits of the Backdoor Roth IRA are very similar, if not the same, as in the last video when we talked about the Roth IRA. After you contribute to the traditional IRA, you want to take your money out there as soon as possible because any gains that money makes, you have to pay taxes on. So the more taxes you pay, the more money you're going to be giving the government, and that's just not good. As soon as you put your money in that traditional IRA and you're going to be doing the Backdoor Roth IRA, take that money and immediately put it in the Roth IRA.
So let's say you have some money in your traditional IRA. What's the perfect time to transfer it to the Roth IRA? Well, a perfect time would be when your income goes down. So you want to pay as high taxes as if you're in a higher tax bracket. So let's say you make $100K and you want to roll over your money into the Roth IRA. You're going to be in a higher tax bracket rather than if you...
Also, if you're doing the Backdoor Roth IRA and you want to get those contributions out in retirement, well, you have to wait 5 years so you don't get penalized on it because rollovers take 5 years for you to have no penalties on it. So let's say you're 54 and a half and you're doing the rollover because your income is still too high to do the regular Roth IRA. Then you might want to hold off if you plan on taking your money out at 59 and a half. But if you don't, keep doing the Backdoor Roth IRA because you want your money to keep growing. So one thing that's kind of complicated that we're going to go over is the Prorata Rule, which means everything in your taxes has to be kind of proportional. So before you take a distribution, when you have before tax money and after tax money in the same account, whether it be a traditional IRA, S&P IRA, you have to pay taxes on that money if you plan on rolling it over into the Roth IRA. You gotta have it proportional. This rule only applies if you have after-tax money already in a traditional IRA and you have pre-tax money in a traditional IRA. You have zero money in your traditional IRAs or any other IRA for that matter besides the Roth IRA. The reason why it's easier is because if you don't have the pre-tax money and the post-tax money in the same account, this rule does not apply. Basically all it is though, is if you're trying to roll over your account and you're over and you want to do the Backdoor Roth IRA and you're trying to roll over your account is you have to pay that money back. You already got a tax break on early on and it's got to be proportional. So let's say you put $6,000 or however much into your traditional IRA and you plan on rolling that over into your Roth IRA through the Backdoor Roth IRA. You'll have to pay the taxes back on that amount of money that you had before to make it proportional.
So something that you guys might not know and probably don't need is that after 70 and a half, you can't open a traditional IRA, which doesn't allow you can't contribute to a traditional IRA over the age of 70 and a half, which will eliminate you from doing the Backdoor Roth IRA.
To recap, what you need to do is you need to open up a traditional IRA. Then you need to do, there's two ways to do it. You can either roll it over or do a trustee transfer, or you can do a trustee transfer through your same company. And then you want to convert that money over there ASAP so you get no gains on it and so you're not taxed at a higher tax bracket. And then if you don't already have a Roth IRA, you need to open up a Roth IRA and then convert that money over there. Prepare to pay taxes on the contributions that you made to your traditional IRA because no money is allowed to go into your Roth IRA without being taxed first. The main benefit of it is that you take that money out in retirement and you don't have to pay taxes on it.
This type of contribution, you'll need to fill out an IRS Form 8606 for non-deductible IRAs.
We'll throw the IRS Form 8606 on the screen right now. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions about the Backdoor Roth IRA and whether you're over the income limits or anything like that, just leave it down in the comment section below and we'll get back with you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This has been Aspiring Millionaires.